Exchange rates, reasons for appreciations and depreciations of currency. To help better understand how a currency appreciates or depreciates, just look to see what one of the currency purchases in relationship to the other currency. For instance, China used to fix its exchange rate at $1 to 8 yuan. If the dollar appreciated in value, watch what happened to the number of yuans that a dollar could purchase. So if the dollar appreciated, it could purchase more yuan. Now let's go back to the same example. And you notice at the same time, the yuan then buys fewer US currency. So 1 yuan was worth 12.5 cents. And so as the dollar appreciates, notice that the dollar buys up more yuan, but that means that yuan buys fewer of our currency. And so the yuan depreciates in value. Let's look at two markets here. The market for the US dollar and the market for the Japanese yen. This is the yen price per dollar because we're in the dollar market, quantity of dollars, and this is the dollar price per yen. We're in the yen market, quantity of yen. Let's say the price level in Japan drops drastically relative to the US. That means that the Japanese goods become more attractive to US citizens. If that were to happen, then you know that we'd like to buy up Japanese products. We'd have to buy up yen so we can purchase those products, so the demand for the yen would increase. Now, the only way that we can buy up their products is that we supply the currency exchange market with dollars. So we supply more dollars to that currency exchange market, buy up the yen so we could buy more of their product. The value of the yen appreciates relative to the value of the dollar. Now, one easy trick to the trade is this. Once you figure out what happens to one of these graphs, you can figure out what's going to happen to the other. Let's say that the Japanese feel that the U.S. is a safe place to put their money. So if they know that they want to take their money out of here and put it here, they either demand our dollars so they can put it into our financial institutions, which means that they supply more yen to the financial currency market to purchase these dollars. So the Japanese yen depreciates relative to the dollar. But do you notice that if you increase if you know just one graph, if you increase, let's say, demand here, then you know that this would be a supply increase. So if you could figure out the shift in one of the graphs, you know the other graph is the other line. If you know that one graph is a change in demand, the other graph will be a change in supply in the same direction.